welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're gonna be doing a fun one. It is a country line dance, which is good for a wedding, it is good for a country bar, and it's also just good for a party. So it is a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, let's get right into this line dance. So you're going to do a little bit of transferring your weight. So it's gonna start with your right foot, and you're gonna do right, your weight's on your right, and then you're gonna bring it back to left. And then your right foot is gonna cross over your left, bringing it in front. So my right foot here, crossing it over my left. Okay, so again, it is right, left, right. One more time, right, left, right. And you're gonna do the same thing to the left side, and your left foot's behind. You're gonna bring it up to the side, putting your weight on your left, back to right, then crossing that left foot over your right, so it's in front. So from the right side, ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. One more time, 5, 6. We start with the right foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Very nice. Next part, you're gonna make a half turn. So your left foot's right now in front, but you're gonna bring your right foot in front, turning towards your left, and then you're gonna do a kick. So making that half turn. Now our left foot's in front, we're gonna do a little kick. Just a little one, nothing too crazy, doesn't need to be too high unless you want it to be. But for me, just a little kick. And then what I like to do, if you have a hat, put your hand on your hat and just kind of look down as you do it. Okay, so whole thing from the top. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, kick 6. Okay, so you kick on 6 and then hand on your hat looking down. So again, from the top, ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, right foot, 5, kick 6. Okay, and then the next part after that, kick on count 6 with the left foot. You're gonna do a coaster step. So to break that down, your left foot's up, you're gonna bring it back, left, then bring the right foot in, and then left foot comes back in front. So we just kicked on count 6, or was it, 5, kick 6, and then the counts are 7 and 8. So coaster step, we do left, right, left. So kick on count 6 and 7 and 8. All right, whole thing from the top. And 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, kick 6, coaster step. One more time, and then we'll move on. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, moving on. So we just finished the coaster step, which was the left, right, left. Our left foot's in front, but we're gonna bring our right foot in front now, and we're gonna kind of slide it, and we're gonna slide to the right. So it's gonna go right, and then you're gonna do the same thing to the left side, left. So a little bit of a slide, slide. So leaning it more to the right and then left. So again, from the coaster step, which is left, right, left, we go right, left, and then you're gonna do a cha-cha-cha, which is right, left, right, right, left, right. So our right foot's in front. So again, from the top of the new part, ready, and right, left, right, left, right. Keeping our right foot in front. One more time. 5, 6 from the new part. Right, left, right, left, right. Okay, whole thing from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Keeping that right foot in front. Now moving on, you're going to step your left foot in front, go count 5, then bring it back 6, and then you're going to do a cha-cha-cha. Left foot comes behind. Left, right, left. So, breaking that down, we just finished 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left foot comes in front. 5. Bring the right foot back. 6. So this is kind of like you're transferring your weight. 5, 6, and then bring that left foot back. 7 and 8. A little step together step. Okay, so from the new part where we do the right, left. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, cha, 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 rock, forward, back, cha, cha, cha. So make sure that left foot comes in front, rocking forward, back, and then left, right, left. And from the new part with the right, left. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, cha, 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 left, right, cha, cha, cha. Okay, whole thing from the top, and then we'll move on. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, kick, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, rock, 7, and 8. Okay, next part. You're going to make a quarter turn to your right, and you're going to do a step, touch, step, touch. Stepping on that right foot, you're going to go right, left, touch with the left, and then left, touch with the right. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to do a sailor step, which I'll break down, and your right foot's going to come behind, so it's going to go right, left comes out, and then you step on the right. So it is right, left, right, and then the same thing with the left side. Left side's going to go behind, left, bring the right foot out, and then step on that left foot. So from the sailor step, it is right, left, right, left, right, left. So going from the step touch, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Let's go nice and slow from the left where we rock forward on the left, back on the right, and the cha, 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 then going step, touch. So let's go from that part, and we'll go really slow. Okay, ready? And 5, 6, 7, and 8. We step 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, a little bit faster from the same part again. Ready, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Again, for the sailor step, the feet are right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, whole thing from the top, and we're almost done. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, we're getting near the end now. You guys are doing great. So the next part is you're going to step out with your right foot, and you're going to do 4 steps with your right. So it's going to be like this. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And as I do that, I kind of lift up my right hip a little bit. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4. And as we do that, we're going to be making a half turn, turning towards our left. So we're going to step 1, 2, 3, 4, making that half turn. Again, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So let's go from the step, touch, sailor, step, sailor, step. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you make that half turn? Let's try again. Just the half turn. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Next part, you're going to do a coaster step with your right foot, which is just right, left, right. And then you're going to do 3 walks going forward, and it's left, right, left. And then you would start the dance again. So I'm going to break that down a little bit more, starting from the 4 steps with the right foot. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We do that coaster step with our right foot. Right, left, right. And then 3 walks forward. Left, right, left. One more time. Going from the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Count you in. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Left, right, left. Okay, so let's go from the step touch with our right foot. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coaster step, left, right, left. And you guys are done the dance, so you'd start the dance again on the new wall, doing the right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so let's try that. New wall, same dance. We'll take it slow. Okay, ready? Count you in. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Cha, cha, cha. We step right, touch, left, touch, sailor step, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coaster step, left, right, left. Good job, guys. Let's do it again. New wall, same dance. Here we go. Right foot ready. And 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rock forward, back. Cha, cha, cha. Right, touch, left, touch, sailor step, sailor step. We step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, good job, guys. This is the last time we're going to do it. New wall, same dance. Give it your all. Here we go, starting on your right foot. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rock forward, back. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coaster step and a left, right, left. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with music, please be sure to check out the link below. And if you guys are enjoying my videos, make sure you like, comment, and of course, subscribe. It really does help the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!